Now let's get started folding this paper airplane. US letter size or A4 paper all can be used to fold this paper airplane. First, make a half fold. Open it up and then make half a fold again from another direction. Now, take the bottom edge and fold to the crease we just made. And then fold it like this. Next, take this corner and fold the edge to this edge. And then fold like this. Do the same thing on the other side. First, fold like this, and then continue fold this edge and make sure align the top edge with the bottom edge. Okay, next fold the bottom edge like this. Fold the bottom edge like this. And then make a half fold along the center crease. Next, we will fold the handle from here. That's about the end of the edge. End of the edge about from here. And do the same things on the other side. Okay, and we just the wings. Okay, the plane is ready.